someone may have been injured. No one, oh, there is somebody on the ambulance. Is this your child on the ambulance?
Yeah.
Oh my.
There was no horn, no anything. He just turned it.
He saw us, he should have stopped.
Yeah.
Are you recording? These are our patients. As a HIPAA violation, you cannot film them.
We were headed west, going down Delmar, heading to get some lunch after church today. And the traffic is blocked off. Normally the trolley goes up and down Delmar. Those are the trolley lanes, the tracks over there. So normally the trolley would go up and down Delmar. I guess that's east and west. The trolley would be going. But it appears that the trolley somehow is off the track. How are you?
How you doing?
All right.
What are you
No, just I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, and so we saw the trolley off the track, so we just kind of came to check it out. You've been standing here a while?
Yeah, I work here.
You work here? Do you know what happened?
I'm not allowed to say.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't hours.
Fair enough. Fair enough. So she's not allowed to say what happens, understandably. Could be some liability involved. But we have the fire trucks out here. Oh, I guess there's a track that goes across Delmar, but the trolley is stopped there. So it's blocking off our ability to Apple getting away. It's blocking off our ability to cross over the street. John's gonna go on through. Okay. Oh, now we get a better idea of what's going on. See that there? Now we get a better idea of what's going on. Okay. See that there?
Yeah.
I bet that came from over there. So the trolley is probably turning on the track. Let me see if I can go over here.
Red light, I didn't know down and stuff.
Oh gosh. So that did come from there.
Ma'am, you from the train station? You just out?
Yeah. So that's what happened over there. So we have the police, EMS workers out here. So hopefully no one will, oh, there is somebody on the ambulance. So someone may have been injured. There's one person on the ambulance receiving care, and I don't want to, what's the word? I'm afraid to impede upon their rights, their health rights, their HIPAA rights. Man, this is not good, but hopefully it's a minor injury. So those are trolley tracks that go across Delmar, and I guess go back up into the station over there. So
We sitting at the light. This dude just keep turning. There was no horn, no anything. He just turning. I guess he's coming this way.
Oh, okay.
We're sitting here. I don't know what happened.
when we passed the light was green, and even if the light changed, he didn't give no warning signals at all.
You were coming this
And he
way?
ain't came up to the car to say y'all okay or nothing. They tried. I think so.
They sitting at the light. Here.
I think so.
Yeah, they were sitting at the light right there.
No light, no horn.
And he came in on that side, coming this way.
And he ain't even came to say anything. Your driver, see who's okay, everybody okay?
Well, I'm here. I'm here. I talked to you. Yes, you did.
That's the dad.
My dad? No, I talked to the guy. I'm sorry, but I didn't know. I didn't know she was. I didn't know. That's what I'm asking. I talked to him and I talked to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
She told her, but she's okay.
Yeah.
I did. I didn't. Then I came too wrong.
And what's your name? Yes.
I did. I make sure y'all were okay.
Good. What happened?
So you were, ma'am, you were sitting back here.
Innocent bystander?
Ma'am.
You just an innocent bystander?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Oh, what you gonna do?
I have a YouTube channel, and I was just trying to get an understanding of where you were parked. You said you were right here. Oh, this is where it happened. Okay.
I'm gonna go.
Is this your child on the ambulance?
Yeah,
Oh my.
I got two.
Oh my.
They get your information? Did they get your information? One of them.
I told them my name. Is that what they did?
Name. They got name, date of birth, address, phone number.
I don't whistle. But what I'm saying is, if he saw us coming, he should have stopped.
It was green when we was coming by, and she thought supposedly when we was coming by it turned red. But even if it turned red, we was already going and we didn't hear any whistles or nothing from the train.
I don't know about that part. All I know, I was telling my daughter, okay, you can catch 001 to Mission Taco, and she started laughing. Then that's when we heard the loud boom. I don't know. We had already made it past you. That's what I was saying. And then he was coming this way. That's what I'm saying.
We saw the train
We
moving.
saw the train coming. The train was here, and he was like, that's when I told my daughter, you can catch 001 to Mission Taco. Okay, he kept going. We were trying to get here, and that's when we heard the loud boom.
There was no bells, no horn.
Right, it was right here. I mean, we was
Like at the tracks?
we was right. No, we was here when he hit us. That part of the truck hit here. Yeah, we were already. Like I said, the truck was the trolley was here. And then as we were coming up to the light, because the only way I could see the numbers was up here, and I had just seen my daughter. And then as we were coming up to the light, hit that thing. That's what hit the truck. Huh?
I don't know what I'm doing without the order.
See if we can, maybe they can pass the ambulance or behind it or something. I'll stop everybody. You think you can make it past them?
Alright? They're both doing just fine. They have very minor injuries. They're just here.
And I'm
Yeah.
So how
Ma'am,
do I
are you
get in touch
recording?
with you?
Are you recording? These are our patients. That's a HIPAA violation. You cannot film them. You understand?
I'm not recording the patient, just talking to the mother. I have not. And I know that, sir. John and Jackie's Journeys is the YouTube channel.
All right.
I'm coming. I'm already past.
Right.
You're the
I
son?
told my.
Yes.
Are there two patients on board?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
My
past
sisters.
that.
Two
You can't
sisters.
say
Yes.
I'm
Oh.
white. Well, if he saw
Okay.
me coming, he should have stopped. Come on.
So was the light in front of you?
Man, I don't know.
The-
I'm just trying to.
Yeah, I know. But
Once I get
was
once
that
I
light on red?
When we passed, it was on green. Now we don't know if it would have changed because my dad, he's smart. He would have stopped at a red sign. He's been driving a long time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and leave us a comment. While you're at it, do us a favor. Go on and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you for your support. Feel free to share with your family and friends.